Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Facebook not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So then first of all, you have, while using the Facebook app, you have force close Facebook app and running all other application on your iPhone. So you have, while use the all applications on your iPhone, you have closed the previous solution of any crashing or freezing app is to force close it. We can even restart the app, but it may not work, so it is a better to force close and relaunch it. Facebook is an online app. If you are looking for a solution to connect that is not loading on a launch app, check internet connectivity, because the slow internet is also causing any issue on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. Mostly fix issue. If the first solution does not work, then you should go restart the iPhone. Restart the iPhone will also fix in minor glitches and fix in the iPhone not working on any system on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have update your iPhone. So then you have, probably you are running the iOS device with an old version, so that can cause so many errors. If any new iOS update arrives, that you should update the devices as soon as possible. It will accurate your device and issues like this will get fixed automatically. Then fourth solution, you have free up space on your iPhone. So then the major issue of app will not open or not working as expected, or sometimes in aftertouch a specific tab on an app is accurate due free up to space running any app smoothly. Then last solution, you have uninstall and reinstall the app. So then if all the above tips are not working, then the problem may be in that particular application. You can delete the app from the device and then again download it from the app store. So then you have delete the Facebook and then reinstall from app store on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.